Hey guys!
Hi everyone, and we are going to do something, and
That sounded bad.
so Eliza decided to pierce her nose again. I wanted to drop both of them. Esha wants something from Kmart. Yeah. So I decided to do mine too, and where we are doing, got no idea about it, never did that, but we'll come back and show you all what we did. Okay, so this is my face at the moment, and I'll show you after. Okay, that's her face now, and we'll see when it's done. Oh gosh. And now she's not doing it. She is not doing it. Nah?
I wanted to do my thirds. Like, if I get like a really tiny one, it will fit.
Okay, we'll see. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we'll do some piercing today. And then we'll go to Kmart, I think. And then we'll buy a few things. And then we'll come home. Okay, so we did it. And we are going to show what we did. And we did at Unicorn. For the first time ever I did it there. But Eliza has been going to Unicorn a lot. And let's start with Esha. What Esha did?
I just put my AirPods in. Okay.
Okay.
It's my thirds.
Yeah. And this is how it looks. Nice. And Eliza, look at her. She did her. Yeah. And look at her face. Looks so cute. Oh my gosh. And guys. All want to see mine? I just don't want to show you all.
Do it.
Do it?
Do it. Good.
Okay, I did the big one. Eliza did the small one. But the girl said big will look good. So I said, okay, do the big one. But I don't like that much. But it looks good on the camera, na? Na?
Yeah.
So I'm going to change this one. I'm going to change this one too soon, but not like soon. I think I will leave it for 6 weeks, because in 6 weeks we can change this one. So I think that time I can go for the one Eliza is wearing, or I can change it to some other one. But they don't have much options, no?
Yeah.
They just have gold one and silver one.
They don't have much options.
Yeah. This one is big, hers one is small. I think I'm liking it. I don't know. I think it looks okay.
She complained about it for like 5 minutes in the bathrooms.
Yeah, because I did it for the first time and I think I like it. And okay, I have 3. Eliza, you have 3 too, no?
Yeah, she has 3.
Yeah, let's.
I already have 3 on my ear.
Yeah, 3
One
ears.
on my nose, here, and belly.
Oh, I see your belly piercing. Okay, she also has the belly. Like literally, it's looking so good now. Because I can't, because I work out a lot, and I think it takes time to heal. Na, Eliza?
Yeah.
Mine took quite like a week and a half.
No.
But it's different for everyone.
Yeah,
Mine
it's
was
different.
bleeding for like a week.
Yeah. I think I got the clips, but I never uploaded it.
I still remember the day she came home. There was like blood all
No,
over.
you didn't. You didn't come when I got it done.
Yeah, when you came home.
No, when you came home.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was like blood everywhere. It was like,
On her 18th birthday, na?
Yeah.
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 And also when we're fixing the fucking Wi-Fi the whole day.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
and,
the Wi-Fi went
and Eliza's 19th birthday is coming up, and she already has her nose done,
I
And
might get my other side done.
what?
Nose.
What the
Huh?
fuck?
You can.
Yeah. I mean, would that even look good?
It will look good on her.
Yeah, I mean,
Like
yeah.
the girl says that we have perfect nose. So I think it will look good if I do it too. So yeah, I think no. It
Well,
will
I mean,
make
I only
the
have this.
face shape more perfect, no? But yours is perfect anyway. Your face. You have a very cute nose, just like mine. Just like my nose, but mine is just a bit chubby at the moment. But hers is a lot skinnier than mine, and hers is really pretty too. But we are not doing her nose.
Yeah, I'm not doing my septum. I'm scared. I only have this
It doesn't
and
hurt that much. It's just,
I only have these and this.
Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time.
Bye.